welcome back to my channel, Meller Family 4. Kumusta kayo guys? Hopefully you have a productive day. It's about 2:30 here in United Kingdom, and naglalakad kami for fresh air because down pa kasi dito guys, so walang mapuntahan. So ito is the back of our house, this part. So may ano na naman doon, playground, pero hindi kami napupunta doon. Ito siya, for car boat sale, yung part na yun, for car boat sale, sobrang laki din yun. Hindi yan yun, walang magpipit mo. Parang yun lang siya car boat sale yun talaga. Yeah. Naglakad na kami ng mga 30 minutes na guys. Ito, school na naman siya dun. Doon, the bus will... Ito, mga factory siya guys, dito. So, maganda dito kasi hindi siya guys, out of... Pero may bus dito papunta. Look. Terminate for its terminate. So, maglakad ka na lang. This is factory lane here. Maraming factory. Ewan ko anong yun dun. Repair pala dun. Tapos parang may sa tinapay. Warehouse na tinapay. Yun. Si Kuya nagpipicture ng Pupunta kami sa ibang park guys. Kwento-kwento muna tayo while walking. Oh, look. Dun? Nursery. Nursery pala dun. Another school. Parang kami ng dalawang school. Pero dami kasi school, guys. O saka park. Ibang to? School. Parang pangalawang school ito na nadaanan na. Tapos look. Bus there. Lang kasi I just wonder na some people in the Philippines, hindi naman lahat sila pagod maglakad. Kahit yung mga bata ngayon punta sa school doon, mapamangkin ko, hindi na pagod na din, tambad na din sila maglakad. Kami dati maglalakad kami mga more than 15 minutes going to school. Ngayon sumasakay na sila. Ang ganda kayo maglakad guys. Paglakad. Dito talaga, look, the bus stop is there. And then the next bus stop is there. Layo. Kailangan mo talagang maglakad pag wala kang hindi kagaya you cannot stop sa gusto mong. If you want to stop, you cannot say, oh, I will stop here. Doon ka talaga sa bus stop. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na pag galing ka ng city, tapos in the Philippines na nga ang ko guys, asawa ko kasi parang na-surprise siya na, di ba, pag punta kang city tapos sasakay ka ng bus, may mga aircon bus doon, tapos people can request to stop anywhere they want. Samantalang dito, no, you need to follow, you can stop only in the bus stop. Ang kung malayo man if your house is very far from the bus stop, so maglakad ka, hindi ka magdadrive. So yun, nakakaano ang walking. Pag ano na nga, mga spring na, naglalakad ulit kami. Sabi sa friend ko, pag day off ng asawa ko. So, naglalakad kami. Kuya! Si Kuya nandun. Kasi nagpipicture siya ng bus. Tatanungin ko siya. Oh, dun, may ano dun, motor MOT. Ay, dun pala, ano yun. Yung parang dun ka kung magda-drive ka. May MOT test. Anong tawag dun? Testing station. Dito kasi hindi basta-basta mag-drive. Tignan mo yung kahit mga ano. Siyempre, may accident din dito, guys. Anyone naman can relate or the living abroad na iba talaga sa Pilipinas kasi yung mga tao dito disiplinado sa ano, when they're driving. Tapos hindi ka din basta-basta magka-drive dito, guys. Ng ano, although sa atin hindi ka din sobra ng ano sa atin, sobrang sasakyan na. Yeah, so you had enough? You had enough? You don't want to take a photos anymore? Hmm? Yeah, you can go there, just follow me. Okay. Oh, you can't get the 314 there. No. Yeah. And another. Yeah, look at this. This is a view. So we need to. Ano? Okay. Pupunta kami. Park na naman dun, guys. So punta kami dun. Kasi kawawa naman si Ole. Pag hindi mo papuntahin, di ba? Tingnan natin. So, tahimik dito. Dito nilalakad din namin pag ano, guys, pag when spring and summer. Maano siya sa Vihili. Mataas, so nakakaano out of breath. So, yun. Punta kami doon. Hi. Buti na lang may araw today kasi 10 degrees siya. Kasi bukas na naman sabi mag-snow daw. They said it's gonna be snow but I don't know. Just saying that after all it's not happening. Ano? Ito maganda dito pag ano, look yung daffodils dun. Oh, tulips. Daffodils pala. Naka-ano na siya. An iba dun. This long one this year is ano siya. Bumabalik na yun. Yung daffodils at tulips. There's the park there. Ole. Still gonna go. Ole is too crowded up there.
Yeah.
I don't know if we'll go.
It looks good. And look, there's not just that one, there's that one as well. There's two. I think you should go to the one that's further away because that one looks better, Ollie.
Where?
The one on the left.
Yeah, I will go.
Better, Ollie.
What? Coming down? No, I'm not going. Coming down is too far. No?
Basically the one after the slope.
There. Doon guys, may ano. May ano doon, look. ka mag-exercise. Free na. May mga ganun sa park na. Wala akong equipment. You can exercise. City cars, we don't have equipment. So, people can use that. May Pilipina dito, dalawa nakatira guys. Kilala ko. Sa church. Malapit na ito sa amin. Ito sa amin siguro mga ano lang siya. How many mini walks? How many walks club? How many minutes? From our place. Maybe it's 10 or 8. 8 maybe. 10. Oh, please don't run! Oh, doon kami naglakad, guys. See? Doon kami naglakad kanina. Yung sinabi ko sa inyo na may mga yung pababa, guys. So, punta kami sa ano. Punta kami sa yun. Another Oli is never been this park. Pero malapit ito sa ano yung pinupuntahan namin palagi. Yung plain lang siya. So, kamo na lang. Si Kuya at si Oli. Queen Elizabeth Playground. Queen Elizabeth Playground. Yung isa namin po napuntahan Kali Down. And please watch my other vlog yung napunta kami sa ibang park din. Upload ko siya soon. Yun lang talaga guys, walang choice. Oh, sorry.
Went straight into Ollie's foot.
Opo, oh, sorry Ole. Did I hurt you, Ole?
He's not even complaining.
How can?
He was a bit shocked when he looked a bit shocked.
Maganda kay Oli kasi ano, it's very good for Oli. He can climb because it's not that high. Oh, look at the Oli fire engine. Oli fire engine, Oli. May mga bahay doon sa ano. Hi, Oli. Oh, what's the matter, Oli?
I think he's scared.
What's the matter? Why you have no? Looks like you have no energy.
I think he's scared.
Dito po kami guys. Mga ano, 20 minutes. Kasi maganda pa ang araw. Malapit na mag 4 o'clock. So, ayaw mo na? You don't want? Okay.
One eternity later.
Hi, bye! Say hello. Hello, we're back. We're home now. And no, don't say that. No. Yeah, my daddy is not here yet. I'm still working. So, ang ganda ng araw today. So, wala na. Maano na guys, dilim. So, it's my day off not to cook dinner today because sometimes mga wifey kailangan din ng bigyan ng day off ng mga hubby. Nakakapagod din magluto. So, naghihintay na lang kami guys sa aming pizza. So, we're gonna deliver it. And i-end ko na ang vlog na ito. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully, everything will okay. We still have hope. If there is life, there is hope. And thank you for watching. Be kind and see you in my next vlog. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. God bless.